You're welcome.
Hello.
Sorry?
Hello. Hello.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I thought you said 3,000.
No, I said fill it up.
Okay, yeah. Now I start afresh now. So
This is horrible. Look at this. It's mind-blowing. I think I'm gonna enjoy myself here. And look at what I got here. A national Nigerian soup called afang. 95 kilometers of this hell. It's the wild, wild west of Africa. What a hell. What a hell. This is Nigeria, like one level above. So what, this is the border. It looks like a border. So we are here. Benin, Nigeria. I guess it's the same like with Togo, Benin. All in one building. Oh, that's not where I wanted to go. Oh, look how many people. Oh, you know what? Just let's go. See what happens. Oh, this is Nigeria already. Let's just park up and do it somewhere here, because I think I got too far. Alright then, wish me good luck. I hope it's gonna be nice and quick. But the good thing is that it seems to me that it's all in one building. Alright then, the border crossing is done. It took me an hour and a half. Quite busy. But I am dying. I am freaking dying. The heat is killing me. And I really need water. But I'm gonna stop at the closest gas station, get gas and some refreshments so I can continue to my hotel. It's only 80 kilometers. But I'm done, so finally now I have a break from border crossings for a week, so I can relax now. So let's go.
how are you?
Fine. Hello.
Sorry?
Hello. Hello.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're a tourist?
Yes, tourist.
From where?
I'm coming from Benin.
Benin. Where are you going to now?
I'm going to Lagos, and I'm going all the way to South Africa.
To South Africa?
Yeah.
So you're trying to meet up with those one with a vehicle. You have four set of vehicles down.
Yeah. No, I'm not with them. No, I'm solo by myself.
Okay, over.
Yeah.
Have you stamped your passport?
Everything. Duan as well. I have Duan stamped as well. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Okay. All right then. Welcome to Nigeria. Finally Nigeria. Amazing. Halfway done. halfway done. I met some German tourists, like traveling by trucks. One of the guys told me that his money was stolen while he was waiting at the window. He got pickpocketed. I was surprised how could that even happen. He was standing in line with some other people and he didn't even notice. Anyhow, I'm gonna stay in Nigeria for 5 to 6 days. 3 days in Lagos, and then continue my journey towards Cameroon. But I need gas and I need water. What? Eat? Nah, I'm hungry, but I cannot eat now. What's up? What's up? Hello? Hello, buddy. What is that for? You play golf? Golf. Thank you. Checkpoint after checkpoint after checkpoint after checkpoint. I don't get it. Oh, there is a gas station. Maybe I'll go take gas there. Oh, they also have a shop. It doesn't matter, man. It doesn't matter. Oh, you're making all different money or something. You take cash, right? Okay.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you doing?
Fine. I'm doing fine. I could be better, but I'm doing all right.
Okay.
Can I get it full?
Can I full it?
Full, yeah.
Okay. I thought you said 3,000.
No, I said fill it up.
Okay, yeah. Now I start afresh now. So anything that full it, I will add the 3,000.
No, it was not fresh. You started fresh?
Yeah, I started from here. You understand?
Are you sure?
Yeah. I can't lie for
Are you
you.
sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Sure, very sure. I'm very sure. 100%.
What? Hello.
Hello. Hi.
I'm all right. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good.
Okay.
What?
They want to snap picture with you.
You mean take a picture with me?
Yes. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Why Jana?
You
are looking good. You are looking good.
Yeah?
are
You are looking good. You are looking good.
Yeah.
Very
It's
good.
okay? You have some hairspray or gel?
Very okay. Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Magbo.
Yeah.
Ẹ̀yà ọ̀nà súnmọ́ bẹ̀. Ìwà kúrò bẹ̀. Ọmọ yìí náà bẹ̀ lọ sílùú ìbò. Ọmọ ìgbà pa. Wọ́n yìí bò. Ẹgbẹ́ Nàìjíríà yọ lẹ́sẹ̀. Èmi máa gbówó lọ́wọ́ yín o, tó ń bá gbó, èmi máa gbówó.
One more?
With my son.
Oh,
This
okay.
my son.
Ẹ̀yà ọ̀nà súnmọ́ bẹ̀.
Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye. This is horrible. Unbelievable. And the worst is yet to come. Lagos. That's gonna be a mayhem. Look at this mess. Mamma mia, look at this place. Holy cow. Oh. Look at this, it's mind-blowing. Look what they are doing. Oh wow. Sweet sensation. I need a sweet sensation. I think I'm gonna enjoy myself here. Holy mother! Finally seems like shops and restaurants everywhere. I don't have to beg for it. That's fantastic. Home of beauty. Not something for me, but look at that. Romeo's Pizza. I think I'm gonna have a pizza today. Oh, look at that mosque. 100 meters. Oh, this is it. It can't be it. Oh no, there it is. Fries, look. All I need is beer. Give me beer and some good food and I'm gonna be happy. But there is my hotel. It's called Tree something something hotel. Oh look, restaurant. I think I'm gonna have fun in the city. So this is the garage. Can you open the gate? More. No, more. Where can I park? There? Finally here. Hallelujah. Bye bye. Leaving Lagos, going to Benin City today. I spent 2 days here trying to relax a bit. So hello. You alright? Let's go. Thanks man, thanks. Oh man. The guy is excited about my bike. And it was raining here all night. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. Better, you know, at night than now, to be honest. Nah, there's nothing here. So it was just a stop for me. Nothing else, really. Look at that. Oh man. Poison. But you know, I took a stroll yesterday on when I went to get the SIM card, not far from where I live, and the amount of people, how much attraction you get. How much attention you get, and how people stare at you, and you feel like a celebrity here because everybody wants to take a picture with you. Every 2-3 kilometers there is a barrier made of trees on a highway. How normal this is. There you go. Here's my hotel. Bit of luxury to our boss. I ordered a salad and look what I got. A drink. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna have, and a Nigerian soup, fish soup. So I'll show you that later. And look at what I got here. A national Nigerian soup called afang. Mine is with fish. It looks amazing, it smells amazing. So I'm gonna dig in and then go back to my room and relax and get ready for tomorrow. So I wanted to show you around. So you see where I'm staying at tonight. And here it is. This is my hotel room for a night. It's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. So I'm gonna enjoy my night here. Already had dinner. And tomorrow I'm heading to a city called Owerri, where I'm gonna stay a night as well. And continue my journey towards Cameroon, which I'm hoping to reach on Friday, as I explained in the video, the why on Friday. So yeah, and here's the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. So don't forget. Very nice, very clean. That's the most important thing to me, and that's what matters. All right then. leaving this beautiful place here in Benin City called Greyfield Hotel. A wonderful place for a good price. So today we are going to the city called Overi, which is 240 kilometers from here. Oh, what is that? Wow. Okay, goodbye, Benin City. Thank you, sir. Bye bye. The thing about South Africa is that the top 5 most violent cities in Africa are in South Africa. Yeah. So getting to South Africa doesn't exactly mean you're gonna be in the safest place in Africa. So yeah, that's the thing, you know. Extremely aggressive drivers. Extremely aggressive drivers. Like seriously. There's no road here? Right? That's how it works, no? I want to merge on that road, not this road. "95 kilometers of this hell." Literally hell. Much better, look at that. Somewhere here. Anything close by so I can get some food? Here? Is it here? Hotel, the Manor Hotel. Oh, here it is, the Manor Hotel. That's what I booked Look, another chic place. The Manor Hotel. The Manor Hotel. I'm gonna park right here. Or maybe... Hello. Look how filthy I am again. I'm here. It's getting, tiring. But my hands, look at my hands. Look at my hands. Holy mother. Hello. I have a reservation for one night. Yeah. So you can go about it. How does it work? Thank you. Which way is it here? Alright then. Already leaving Overi, going to the city of Calabria. The city of Calabria, by the border. Well, by the border. I need to get a visa sticker, so that's why I'm going there, to be honest. For Cameroon, you cannot enter Cameroon with the e-visa only. You have to get a sticker. So, but I'm one day away from Cameroon. So I'm kind of happy to leave Nigeria behind. Especially that reading I read this morning that 160 people got killed in 2 villages in the western part of Nigeria. So safety first, and I don't want to take any risks or anything. I know it's not every part of Nigeria, so it's not like it happens everywhere. It's not like it's kind of common. But it does happen, and yeah, that's why I try to stay on main roads and big cities, basically. So morning traffic in Nigeria at this hotel here in Overi. I was eating a breakfast, and the ladies that work there approached me, very shy, and they went like, "Oh, sir, can we have your phone number? Can we stay in touch?" And you know what? Listen, I don't mind. Here's my phone number, whatever. I'll reply. But let's be honest. I'm just being nice, really. I don't want to say no. I don't even have a line to tell them off or something. But she goes like, one of them goes like, "Yeah, but please reply, I don't want you to just ignore me and stuff." Oh my gosh. It's the wild, wild west of Africa. In every... Oh, here's a good one. Udi King. Madre mia.
See, the world is getting better now. Feel the change is coming on my way. Keeping hope as high.
Oh, look how many. Holy bananas. I've never seen so many pumps. Like what? Am I supposed to like, what is it? Like choose which one I want? To whom I go? This is petrol? Petrol. I don't know. What? What is this? This is diesel or petrol? Is this petrol or a diesel? Petrol. Alright then.
I'm moving on, not turning back. Up to the moon, there is no turning back.
Probably cash. Cash, yeah. I want it full, so I don't know. Wait, here. Yeah.
Carry on, despite where I was. To
Yeah.
future that I'd never known. I'll sing a song of victory ahead. Oh, I'm gonna dance to glory that I've
Oh.
made. Lying back,
Doesn't
seeing
do much,
through
it's
my
okay.
time, imagining
12, here.
how life used to be.
Let's see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's 12,000.
I'm going ahead, not
Thank you.
turning back. I'm moving on, not turning back. Up to the moon, there is no turning back.
Bye bye. Madre mía. Don't even know which is which. Maybe just go. I'm guessing. What I wanted to say about the about people asking me for a phone number, like it happens so much. I've probably given my phone number away, I don't know, 50, 60 times. Ladies, man, whatever. You know, I just don't say no. I mean, I don't want to be rude or anything. I don't have a line to tell him off, as I mentioned. I'll reply sometimes, you know, hey, what's up, whatever. But I'm happy, you know, people want to, you know, people find me cool and all that. I appreciate that. But that's where it ends, to be honest. No hard feelings. Look at the policeman with sticks. How funny is that? You gotta love that. AK-47s. That's Nigeria to you. I must admit, I was the most, I wouldn't say afraid. Afraid is not the word I'm looking for. Because I'm not afraid. I don't give a monkey. Whatever happens, happens. I take it as that's life. But I wasn't looking forward to it, let's be honest. Let's put it this way. I just wasn't looking forward to it. I really just wanted to have it behind me. So I'm kind of happy I will have in a day. So yeah. And also Cameroon, to be honest. Congo, I know. Congo is gonna be wild, but I think kind of cool.
suga suga jamaili fajir suga jamaili fajir suga jamaili aywa jamaili nyala barudayin suga jamaili nyala suga jamaili nyala suga jamaili bilat Sudan suga jamaili Sudan barudayin suga jamaili Sudan suga jamaili Sudan suga jamaili Afrika washi suga jamaili Afrika barudayin suga jamaili Afrika suga jamaili Afrika
What the
suga
hell?
jamaili
What the hell? Like seriously, man.
Afrika suga jamaili Koshi suga jamaili Timbuktu suga jamaili Songhai suga jamaili Atum suga jamaili Wadai suga jamaili Kanimberno suga jamaili Mandinka suga jamaili suga jamaili
Here it is, August. Filthy, man. Thank you. I'm not sure. I have to have a look. So hello everybody. We are on our way to Cameroon. We have 200 kilometers to the border, and we're gonna stay at the border, camp at the border. There is a village called Ekok right after the border on the Cameroon side, where I will have to camp at the police station or whatever for a night before taking a convoy, an armed or army convoy to Bou or Beu, to a city called Bou. And there's no other way. You don't get a choice. You have to do it. You have to come a day, as I mentioned in the previous video, or as I mentioned before. You don't get a choice. You have to take the convoy, and yeah, and that's about it. What's up?
What?
What are you selling? Chewing gums.
Yeah?
What was that? Chewing gums.
Bingo.
Chewing gum.
Yeah. These are bingo.
I don't chew gums.
You have this from outside country to Nigeria.
Yeah, I'm from Europe to Nigeria. I'm going to South Africa.
To South Africa.
Cape Town. Yeah.
You have tried very well.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So, but we need gas. I didn't get any gas yesterday. I didn't have a taste to get gas. But I got my visa sticker, which is very good for Cameroon. And yeah, that's about it, to be honest. Hopefully we'll have a good ride. Oh, great job. Good timing, truck. Kilometers to ICOM, and then a few kilometers, I'm not sure, 20 to ECOC. So we have a very good time. The roads got much better, so that's good. Oh look, a gas station, diesel, fuel oil. Can I get for 8,000?
8,000.
8,000, yeah. I think it's gonna be full.
Is it cash or fuel?
Cash. Well, here we are in the city of ICOM, 25 kilometers before ECOC, the city in Cameroon, basically the border city, or the city. Why am I always talking about cities? The border village where I'm gonna spend a night camping. So it's actually been quite alright. The roads at the beginning were horrendous, but yeah. What? What? What do you mean? What are you talking about?
Five is not coming. That means we're having 26 left here. Yeah. 26. How much are you giving for this? White man, let me. Which one you carry? Follow them. Okay, you don't put my tell them. You don't know what thing can happen. Huh? If I should screen them, you know what can happen.
Bye bye. You know when they say that when you say something, when you complain or something like that, and they say this is Africa, there should be one for this is Nigeria, like one level above. Hello?
Yeah, this is immigration. Please go in for your stamp.
Oh, the stamp is here. Ah. For Cameroon. I'm going to Cameroon. Yeah. So I have to go around.
Yes, sir. Another place.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's come there.
What?
Let's come there.
No, I got Nigeria. I need Cameroon. Yeah, okay.
Europe.
Yeah.
I'm in Calabar. I'm going from Calabar, yeah. Calabar to Kiko, Cameroon.
Hey, come out for that. Some journey.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir. Bye-bye.